Hello, greetings from Booneri. Today's topic is travel and tourism. To which place? We're going to explore a place in Turkey called Cappadocia, which will be signed as CA in short for your reference. A beautiful place. Come with us on this exciting journey. The place Cappadocia, which is spelled as Cappadocia, will be signed as CA in short. Where is this place? It's a region in central Turkey. Where exactly? From the capital of Turkey, that is Ankara. Cappadocia lies to its southeast, the distance of which is about 3 hours between the two places. Is Cappadocia exactly a city or a village? No, it's not a city or village, rather just a piece of land or region that's been given the name. This area is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Turkey, and what makes it so attractive to tourists? Cappadocia has many areas with unique geological features of amazing formations of volcanic rock that make it more than natural beauty, thus attracting tourists. Long ago, Cappadocia did experience many volcanic eruptions in different areas, and the lava settlements from it are the reason behind these unique rock formations, which are a sight to watch. Also, Cappadocia is home to beautiful valleys that add to its natural beauty. No wonder this place is always flocked with tourists. We all might have visited museums, right? A place where ancient artifacts are put up on display for visitors to watch. You might have personally seen one, but Cappadocia has something unique. It has an open-air museum for its visitors. What is it called? It is named the Göreme National Park. You can cherish the sight of amazing ancient rock formations which are called fairy chimneys. For instance, the chimneys that you see in factories. Cappadocia has plenty of rock structures that look like chimneys. Also, it is not artificially built or man-made wonder, rather formed naturally by settlements of volcanic eruptions that have been shaped by the wind and the rainwater, forming such beautiful, amazing structures owing to natural beauty and appealing to many tourists. Another fact is that the UNESCO, an agency that credits worldwide cultural and natural heritage, has incorporated the museum in its list. Remember the open-air museum that I told you about with amazing fairy chimneys? This spectacular museum was chosen and inscribed to be on the UNESCO World Heritage List. When was that? It was in the year 1985. What makes so many tourists flock around to visit Cappadocia? What's the reason behind it? Let's find out. What are some famous highlights of Cappadocia? Let me share some with you. It has some mesmerizing scenic landscapes and is an attractive destination for travelers who love adventure. It is a perfect place for hiking. It is also a paradise for trekking lovers. What is the meaning of the word Cappadocia? This word in English means the land of beautiful horses. And it's so apt, as there you can enjoy horseback riding too as an adventure. Of all the attractions like hiking, trekking, horseback riding, etc., the most significant feature of Cappadocia is to fly in a huge hot air balloon. Watch the panoramic view of dozens of colorful hot air balloons and get into one of the baskets of the balloon. For one person, the hot air balloon is very expensive. It can cost about $145 to $200, which means when converted to Indian rupees, it is somewhere around 10,000 to 15 or 20,000 Indian bucks. But it's worth a lifetime. Usually, it is best to take an early morning balloon tour with the sunrise, as the wind conditions are just perfect. Although the hot air balloon season is available all the year round, but the best time of the year is from April to November, as the most favorable weather conditions are during these months. Elsewhere, if you book during the other months, because of strong winds, most of the flight cancellations might take place, causing you disappointment. Hence, remember, the best time would be between April and November. So once you're there, you can enjoy different activities like horseback riding, trekking, hiking, and also the hot air balloon ride. But if you do want to visit there, where to stay? Watch ahead. Whenever you travel to different places, we all book hotel rooms, right? But when in Cappadocia, you can get a unique experience of living in a cave hotel. A luxurious and unique experience indeed. In Indian currency, the prices to book a cave hotel room can start from approx 2,500 to 30,000 rupees per night, and you can choose the option that matches your budget and choice the best. What other interesting activities can you do there? Cappadocia has underground cities. There are almost 150 to 200 underground cities. Just think about this. It actually has completely equipped cities underground with facilities like shopping, kitchen and dining, churches, etc. Out of all the 150 to 200, just 36 of them have actually been discovered. Imagine taking a tour and exploring the fully equipped cities underground. Apart from the touring, food in Cappadocia consists of a variety. But the most special dish there is the pottery kebab. Unlike the normal kebabs that we have eaten, the pottery kebab is prepared in a special way. Meat of chicken, lamb, or beef is put into the pot. Then, along with it goes in tomatoes, some chili, garlic, salt, black pepper, and other spices are put into the pot. This pot is then sealed with the dough. After 3 to 4 hours, when fully cooked, the waiter brings out the clay pot as a whole without serving the food on a plate. The waiter then cracks it with a hammer in front of you before serving the meal, and you will eat a very tender and delicious meat of your life. When ordering, you have the option of a vegetarian mushroom kebab too. Is that it? No. Cappadocia is also known for its finest quality wine. So, as you see, so many beautiful things to see and do in Cappadocia. If you want to try, you can surely visit there.